Tools needed for this install is a 1/4-inch screwdriver, 1/4-inch ratchet, 10mm socket, drill, along with a 1/8 drill bit, hand riveter, and I use these 4 rivets, size 5mm, 17.2mm. Welcome to Spyder Auto. Today we're making a headlight installation video for a 2011 to 2013 Dodge Durango. Let's get started. First step, moving to the passenger side wheel, we need to remove one 10mm bolt securing the bumper and 2 rivets securing the fender flare. So go ahead and remove your 10mm bolt. Now to remove the rivets, you can either punch the center in and then pry it out, or you can use a drill bit and just drill the center out. Next, just gonna carefully unclip your fender flare, just up to here. Next, you're gonna peel off your bumper, just like that. After repeating the same process to the other side, we're gonna open up the hood and then we're gonna remove 17 plastic push pins so that we can open up this cover here. After removing your 17 push pins, go ahead and peel it open. I'm just gonna set it off to the side like this. Next, you're gonna grab the top part of the grill and just carefully lift up to unclip it. Next, you're gonna carefully pull your bumper forward. Next, we're gonna have to remove the grill. We're gonna remove 2 10mm bolts, securing it, one here and one on the other side. After that, we're gonna carefully unseat the grill. Next, we're gonna remove 3 10mm bolts securing the headlight. We have one on top, one on the outside bottom, and one on the inside bottom. Let's start by removing the bottom ones. So after removing your 3 10mm bolts, we're gonna unseat the headlight. We're gonna unplug the high beam, unplug your turn signal, unplug your low beam, unplug your side marker. Next, go ahead and bring over your new headlight. Go ahead and plug in your low beam. Plug in your high beam. Plug in your turn signal. And plug in your side marker. Now we're going to seat the headlight in place. Go and tuck your wires aside. Seat your headlight in place. After installing your passenger side headlight, just repeat the same process to the driver's side. After installing your headlights, go ahead and reinstall your grille. Go ahead and clip the top part back in place. Next, reinstall the two 10mm bolts on the sides. After that, go ahead and seat your bumper back into place. Along with your 17 plastic push pins. Okay, go ahead and reinstall your bumper by clipping it back into place. Reinstall your fender flare. Reinstall your 10mm bolt, securing your bumper. Next, go ahead and install two rivets, securing the fender flare. If you don't have rivets, you could use plastic push pins. Next, go ahead and repeat the same process to the other side. Now that we have our headlights installed, let's test all our headlight functions.